Hello guys, welcome to EduForest. Today we will solve question number 8 of exercise 7.1 from chapter 7 CBSE class 10 math. Now the question is, find the value of y for which the distance between the points P whose coordinates are 2 minus 3 and Q whose coordinates are 10y is 10 units. That means we have to find out the value of y for which the given data is this one. That means the distance between these 2 points is 10. That means first of all we have to find out the distance between these 2 points, then we will equate it to 10 and on solving we will get the value of y. Now the question arises in your mind that how to find out the distance between the 2 points. You know there is a formula for finding the distance between 2 points. Now what is the formula? Now suppose x1 y1 is a point and x2 y2 is another point. Okay, now the distance between these 2 points is given by the formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square root over of this one. Okay, now this is the formula for finding what? For finding the distance between the 2 points whose coordinates are given this one. Okay, now we have to apply this formula here. Okay, so now the distance between these 2 points you can take it as PQ because the one point is P, another point is Q. So the distance between them can be taken as PQ. Okay, so write down here distance between the points P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y is PQ. Okay, the distance between P and Q is taken as PQ. Now PQ will be how much? Apply this formula. Now the question arises in your mind that which one we should take as x1 or y1 and which one to take x2 y2. Here you can take x1 y1, this coordinate as x1 y1 and this coordinate as x2 y2, or you may also take 10 and y this coordinate as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. There is no problem at all in which one you take. Okay, any one you can take as x1 y1 and other one as x2 y2. There is no problem. Now here I am taking this one as x2 y2 and this one as x1 y1. Okay, now here this is x2. Now we will apply this formula x2 minus x1. So 10 minus 2 square plus y2 minus y1. So y minus minus 3. So if you write minus minus 3, so that means minus minus will be plus. So you can directly write here y plus 3 square because it will be easier for you to write. Okay, now square root of this one. Now this becomes 8. So 8 square plus, now apply the identity a plus b whole square. So it is what is the identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it will be y square plus 2ab, that is 6y, plus b square, that is 3 square is 9. Now square root of this one. Now this becomes 64 plus y square plus 6y plus 9. Okay, now square root of this one. Now this becomes y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9. Now this becomes 73. Now square root of this one. Okay, now this is the distance between the points P and Q, but the distance between the point P and Q is given 10. So that means this distance is equal to 10. Okay, so let us equate this one to 10. First of all, let me erase this one. Now according to question, the distance between the 2 points is 10. So what we have got the distance between the 2 points? That is y square plus 6y plus 73 square root. Okay, so now this distance will be equal to 10. Now on squaring both sides, so what will get? On squaring both sides, this root over will be removed and this side will become 100. Okay, so write down y square plus 6y plus 73 is equal to 10 square, that is 100. Okay, you can write here also squaring both sides. Now y square plus 6y plus 73, now bring 100 to this side, so it is minus 100 is equal to 0. Now this implies y square plus 6y Now this becomes minus 27, okay, equal to 0. Now this implies y square plus, now which method will I adopt? Here I am going to take middle term splitting method. That means I will split this middle term into two terms, okay. Now what is the procedure of in middle term splitting method? What is the procedure? The procedure is, first of all you multiply a with c. That means the coefficient of y square is 1 here and the c constant is minus 27. So 1, if you multiply 1 with minus 27, you will get minus 27. Now the question is, which two number on multiplication will give 27? You know 9 and 3 on multiplication will give 27. But here it is given, we have to find out minus 27. So you can take this one as minus or this one as minus. If you take this one as minus, then on addition it will not give plus 6. Okay, so that is why you have to take 3 as minus. Okay, you can take as minus 3. Now on addition it will give this one, and on multiplication it will get minus 27. So split this middle term in this form. Okay, so that means you have to write 9y minus 3y, then minus 27. So this is equal to 0. Okay, now take y common from the first two terms. So it becomes y into y plus 9, then take minus 3 from the rest two numbers. So what will get? Y plus 9. Now this one equal to 0. Now you will take y plus 9 common, then in the first term you will only y's remain. Okay, now minus in this term you will get only minus 3. So this one equal to 0. Okay, now since the product of these two term, these two factor is 0, that means either this factor is 0 or this factor is 0. Okay, so I can write here, this implies y plus 9 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now this implies y is equal to minus 9 or y is equal to 3. Okay, so y is equal to minus 9 or 3. So this is the answer. So in this way you can solve this problem.